All right, we have a very special case review for you today. We have the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro that was just released last week. And we have a very stylish case to review for it. We have the Caseology Parallax case. You can pick this up on Amazon. I believe it's around 20 bucks. I can't remember. We buy so many cases. It's probably around there, 18, 21, something like that. Somewhere in and around the $20 range. Now, this is a very stylish case. I normally don't get, I get Caseology cases for all of my for all of my phones, but this model I don't always get because the colors that they have, I'm not wild of in the past. But when I saw that they had a color match, but we'll look at the colors more in detail. It's not a perfect match, but it's pretty damn close. I said, damn, I got to get that one. And I've been using this case I got it in the mail a few days ago, and I wanted to review it right away because it looks so good. But I was like, you know what? Let me use it on the phone for a day or two and then review it because I don't see any negatives, and I just want to make sure that I'm not missing something. I don't want to sound like I'm gushing over this case, but that's what I'm that's what I'm gonna do. This case is awesome. I think this is one of the if you're one of those people that just buy one case and keep it on your phone for a year. Look, you're probably not even watching this video, but if you like to grab, I mean, you may not go all out like we do and buy literally 60 cases for your phones throughout the year. Maybe you buy 3, maybe you buy 4, or even, 2 or 3. Pick this one up. You're going to love this case. Look at the design. Let me move these out of the way just so it doesn't focus on the background. But just look at this design. Again, I've always liked this case. I just have not been wild of their color selection in the past. For whatever phone that I've had, Samsung Galaxy, Pixel, it's always something. Now, they do have a black, yes, but look, I already have like 3 or 4 black cases, and I don't want to just have a whole bunch of black cases. But they do have, let's do a color match. Let's see. So it's not a perfect match, and to be honest with you, this kind of looks purple now that I'm looking at it on the screen, but when you look at it from the naked eye, I'm looking at it off screen. It is more of a blue than purple. However, it's not a perfect match. I do have the light on here, as you can tell. It does have a splash of maybe a purple tint, but it does look blue with the naked eye. It's not a perfect match, but it's pretty damn close. When you put the phone inside the case, you're not going to be able to tell. It's a really cool constructed case. I mean, look at all of the custom designs that they put in here. I mean, they got a ton of cool stuff. Check this out. As you know, Caseology, I love their design in here, not just for the looks, but it also helps with heat dissipation. It helps remove the hot air that builds up in the back of your phone and actually pushes it out of the case. Look at that. So cool. Engraved Parallax series for Google. Now, if you don't know, Caseology, every now and then a case company will sign a deal with either Google for their Pixel series or Apple for their iPhone series, or even Samsung for the Galaxy series. Caseology makes, I guess, quote-unquote, official cases. Look, I know Google constructs and makes a silicone case that's the official case of the phone, but they also sign deals with companies like Caseology to make, I guess, quote-unquote, official cases for the Pixel devices as well. Now, what do you get with that? Basically just guarantees you that it'll be a perfect fit for your device. That's basically what it means. Parallax series for Google, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. And then you have the Caseology engraved logo and name right there. I think you got it somewhere else too, no? Yeah, right here. But look at that. Look at that design. I mean, it's really, really, really cool. I think this is a TPU construction. It's flexible, but look, it's not Look, it still bends there because that's the weak point, but it's not easily flexible. It's not super stiff, but it's not cheap material. This is when you buy a case from Caseology, you're going to get premium materials, meaning the construction of the case. They don't cut corners. It's a very, very well constructed case. I do have one concern that I'll get to in just a second. There is a nice big cutout for the power cable, nice precise cutouts for the speakers, and you got the mic cutout up top. But look at this engraving all the way around. Now, what is that for? Yeah, it's for looks, but it's also to help keep grip on the case. Now, when it slides out like this, you're going with the engravings. However, it doesn't want to move side to side. And then you have this right here, which is like I want to say it's a sandpaper-like grip that helps it when it's resting in your hand or your palm right there. And then they also have that sandpaper-like grip up top. But look at that. Look at the detail that goes into this case. It's freaking awesome. You got the cutouts. Here's your power button, volume up, volume down. And then you got the air pockets we're all looking for in all four corners. There and right there. And then you have a cutout here. You got a very, very good screen protection. As you can tell, the case not only goes up on the side of the device, but it also grips on the very edge all the way around the phone. As you can tell, it comes up over the phone like this and then grips on the very top of the screen. Now, one of my concerns, okay, check this out. If you go buy this on Amazon, if you have a screen protector on your phone like this, you see that? There's a review on Amazon that shows, they say the case is no good, and they show a picture of their Pixel has a screen protector on it, but they show this lip right here up top pushing up on their screen protector, pushing it up. Well, that's not the case, and I'll show you. I'll get to that in just a second. Let's go ahead and put this in. Let's see what it looks like. Got the white one. Oh, check this out. This is not... I was going to try, this case cannot be taken apart. I was going to try to take that off, but it's very, very well constructed as it's molded into this. So it's not going to be coming off over time. Just very, very nice looking case. Let's get to this. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, this is with the white Pixel. Mic lines up perfect. Charging port, speakers, perfect. Cutouts. Lots of camera protection. Look at that. So your whole camera bar is covered, unlike the official Google case where it's all exposed. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't use those cases. I need a case like this, Caseology case that's got the camera bar protected and it's raised up off of these sensors and the glass covering these sensors because I don't want it to scratch when I lay it on its back. And that's not going to scratch in this case. So you're good laying it down like that. Now let's look at screen protection, and I will throw on this blue case and finish that screen protector story. So it's not a ton, but it is enough. Look, it's not a ton of razivity up off of the screen, but it is just enough. It's not going to be touching the screen when you lay your phone down on the surface. Let me plug in a wireless charger. Do I have a wireless charger here? Here we go. Now I'll plug this in and we'll get this one going real quick and show you that it does not affect wireless charging as well. Can you see it? It's right on the corner. There you go. Wireless charger. Should be plugged in. Let's see. Works. Charging wirelessly. So you can use this for wireless charging. Now let's see how clicky it is. Very nice and clicky. That's the white pixel, and you got that cutout for the speaker at the very top. Now let's get to the blue one. Let's get to the good stuff. Yeah, that looks nice. This is with the blue pixel. Perfect cutouts. Very, very nice detail, precise detailed cutouts. Definitely recommend this case. Again, I've been using this for the last few days. Absolutely love it. It feels good. It looks good. It matches the phone. It protects. I think it protects it very well. I take this outside of the house. I think it will protect it from drops. Now look, let's finish the story about the Amazon review. So they have somebody on Amazon says this case lifts up their screen protector. Let's see, because I don't want Caseology to be accused of something that is affecting their phone when it's user error. The person making the review either installed the wrong screen protector or they installed the screen protector incorrectly, because this screen protector I have on my Pixel 8 Pro, as you can tell, does not lift the screen protector at all. In fact, it does not even touch the screen protector at all. Now, if you want this very same screen protector, we have a review of it about a few days ago, so go back into our video library and go check out that screen protector. I do a review of it, and we do an install of it. But the one that has a bad review on Amazon, it's lifting up right here on their phone, which means that they installed a cheap screen protector that doesn't completely fit their device or screen, or they installed it where it's too high up here, and then the case lifts up on it. So I can tell you right now, it does not touch the screen protector with this screen protector we have on it. So no issues whatsoever. Now the other concern I had that I hasn't really affected me. Look at this cutout for the charging port cutout. You see the cutout? There's two little strips on here on the inside. There's one there and then one there. In the past, I don't believe this is an issue now. I've had this case in the past for, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago. My phone cable wouldn't plug into my phone because of those two little strips inside there. I believe I shaved it out to make my charging cable fit. And again, this was a few years ago. I've been using this case for the last 3 days, and I've tried all the cables in my house. Every single cable works with this. That was my only concern. Every single one plugs in properly. So no concern there whatsoever. So there was in the past, but not anymore. So I do appreciate the time. I will get back with you shortly. I do have more reviews to do, more content to post, Pixel stuff and non-Pixel stuff. So stay tuned to the channel. If you like this case, I'm going to put a link in the description box below, and you can thank me later. Thank you, Caseology, for constructing such a beautiful, nice-looking case. I absolutely love it. You hit a home run with this, and we really appreciate it. We will see you on the next one. Peace out.